The Northwest Ordinances are a series of ordinances, so we'll examine each piece. The Northwest Ordinance of 1784 was written by Thomas Jefferson and adopted by the United States Congress of the Confederation under the Articles of Confederation. The land north of the Ohio River, west of the Appalachian Mountains, and east of the Mississippi River were to be divided into 10 separate states that would be the first territories. They would remain territories until they had attained the same population as the least populous state in America, and then the territory would become a state with the same rights as the original 13 states. The Northwest Ordinance of 1784 guaranteed self-government to the residents of the territories. Something that's worth noting is that they were one single vote short, so Congress rejected a clause that would have prohibited slavery throughout the West. The Northwest Ordinance of 1785 established a framework for the addition of new states. Most importantly, it declared that the new states would be equal to previously established states. Government leaders included this policy in all future legislation dealing with the addition of new states. The Northwest Ordinance of 1785 called for scientific surveying of the territory's lands and then subdividing them according to a rectangular grid system and townships of 36 square miles. The sale of the 16th section would finance public education. The Northwest Ordinance of 1785 set up a standardized system so that the settlers could purchase the title to farmland in the undeveloped West. At this time, Congress didn't have the power to raise revenue by direct taxation, so land sales provided an important revenue stream for the country at this time. The Northwest Ordinance of 1787 did several key things, including chartering a government for the Northwest Territory, providing a method for admitting new states to the Union from the territory, listing a Bill of Rights that were guaranteed in the territory, civil liberties and public education were included in the ordinance, and then banning slavery in the new territories. Ultimately, the Northwest Ordinance provided a path towards statehood for the territories that were northwest of the Ohio River, which is the part of the United States that would become the future states of Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, Ohio, Wisconsin, and part of Minnesota. So the Northwest Ordinance accelerated westward expansion and established that all states would be equal regardless of when they were established. The series of ordinances worked together. The Northwest Ordinance of 1785 put the Northwest Ordinance of 1784 in operation by providing a mechanism for selling and settling in the land, while the Northwest Ordinance of 1787 addressed the political needs of the area.